You may have come across several articles and YouTube videos suggesting that SBI SimplySAVE credit card is one of the best credit cards for grocery and other offline spends. But actually it is the worst credit card for offline shopping. After exposing SBI Simply Click card in my last video, today I am going to burst the bubble of SimplySAVE SBI card. I will also suggest you better credit cards for offline shopping, and obviously SimplySAVE is not going to feature in that list. When you spend 150 rupees through SBI SimplySAVE card on dining, movies, departmental stores and grocery spends, you get 10 reward points. 1 reward point is equal to 25 paisa. So on spending 150 rupees, you are getting just 2 rupees and 50 paisa as rewards on SimplySAVE. In other words, for every 100 rupees spent, you are getting just 1 rupees and 66 paise. For all other online or offline spends, you get just 1 reward point or 25 paisa per 150 rupees spent. Now one can argue that if you are getting 2 rupees and 50 paisa for every 150 rupees spent, then it is a decent cashback. You should always remember that SimplySAVE SBI card is not known for giving cashbacks. For every 150 rupees spent, you are getting 10 reward points. It is not a cashback. But look at the annual fee of this card. Annual fee of this credit card is 499 plus GST. So after including taxes, annual fee becomes approximately 600 rupees. Looking at the annual fee of SimplySAVE, we can easily say that reward system of this card is not sufficient at all. Cards like SimplySAVE or SimplyClick also frustrate you while redeeming reward points. You need to accumulate 2000 reward points before redeeming them. By the time some users reach that Mount Everest of 2000 reward points, their already collected reward points begin to expire. So this is also one of the cons of SimplySAVE credit card. There are several credit cards with similar annual fee, but they give you better rewards or cashbacks as compared to that of SBI SimplySAVE credit card. Flipkart Axis Bank credit card, which comes with similar annual fee, is far better rewarding than SimplySAVE. This card gives 5% cashback for spends on Flipkart and Myntra, 4% cashback on its partner platform, and 1.5% cashback for all other spends. And this 1.5% cashback is also on offline spends. But SBI SimplySAVE credit card, which has been specially launched for offline spending, gives you reward points equivalent to just 2 rupees and 50 paisa for every 150 rupees spent on dining, movies or grocery spends. And the worst part is, for all other online or offline spends, you get just 1 reward point or 25 paisa per 150 rupees spent. Pay attention here. Even for getting 1 reward point, you will have to spend at least 150 rupees on SBI SimplySAVE credit card. If you spend less than 150 rupees, no reward point would be given. It is indeed hilarious, because most credit cards award you at least 1 reward point even for spending 100 rupees. But SimplySAVE does not. If you are looking for a credit card for offline spending, SimplySAVE card should not be your choice. It is expensive and at the same time less rewarding. Amazon Pay ICICI card, which is a lifetime free credit card, gives 1 rupee as cashback for every 100 rupees spent offline. This is in addition to 3% cashback for spends on Amazon if you are not an Amazon Prime member. Axis Ace credit card gives 2% cashback for offline spends, while its annual fee is same as that of SimplySAVE. In addition, it gives 5% cashback too on utility bill payments done on Google Pay. RBL Bank's Shoprite card gives 20 reward points for every 100 rupees spent for grocery shopping. It means 5% value back on grocery spends. SBI SimplySAVE card looks miser in front of this card too. Shoprite card also has same annual fee. A Snapdeal Bank of Baroda credit card, which costs just 300 rupees annually including taxes, gives 2.5% cashback or 10 reward points for spends done on grocery shopping and at departmental stores. It is indeed interesting to note that this card also gives 2.5% cashback on all online spends and 5% unlimited cashback on shopping done on a Snapdeal. Looking at these cards, one can easily understand why SimplySAVE is not that simple to help you save more. If you are the proud owner of SBI SimplySAVE, switch your card for getting better rewards and cashbacks. A 600 rupees credit card is not cheap, and if it is not rewarding you much, it is better to say it goodbye now.